Hello early birds, Miss Claudia is here again. Here's another special video for you. Today I will do it for you. One book, but this is a special book. You know why? Because you can do it by yourself at home. Just Miss Claudia give you the tips. How will we do it? The easy book for you. Okay, let me introduce something else. What we need? Scissors, tape, and construction paper. The construction paper, you can choose whatever you want. Miss Claudia, she have here, look, a lot of construction paper. Now, we need only 2 or 3 construction paper because it's something easy for you, just for learn. Because the reason is we have a fun at home. How? Learning, playing and learning. And I know you like it to drawing something, color, and I know you like to working with the paper. Now, how was we do it? Let me explain for you. First, we fold the first sheet like this. See? Half a part. We can do it another. Same. And we need to do it another more. Believe me, super easy for you. And you made your own history. In this situation, we are at home. And look, we do it 1, 2, and 3 together. But we use it tape, okay? Open the first here. We can put together like this. Now we use the tape here. And put it here. Here, see? Can you see? Now another part over here to make more tape. Here, look. Okay. Now, can you see here? See? Another paper here. You fold her, put together here. Here. Here we go again. Another tape. This for make book different way, but that one is easy for you. See here, and we do it tape again. This size, another size. And here. Okay, now we use it here. Look, you put it here. For example, here, the folder. Here again. And now we have our own book. One, two, three, and four. See? Look. That's super easy for you. The reason I show you how to do this book is because we are at home with family and brother, sister, and then you can make your own history here, a special history, and you can sign your name, date, and you can make here something about your mommy or your brother and sister. Also, you make history about your lobby, because I know how much you love your lobby, and you can draw in something special here, and also you can give it to your grandma, your grandpa, or mommy and daddy, whoever you want. But believe me, that's super easy for you. You can try at home, and I know you can do it. Okay, friends, don't forget to subscribe to your channel, and let me tell you one more time how much I miss you, and we love too much. All the teachers, we love these videos with love for you, and one more time, I miss you so much. I made that video with all my love. Okay, I miss you so much, friends. See you next video.